Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to enjoy the poem of our syllabus, The Kite. Everybody has seen a kite, the bright kite, and children love to play kite. And this poem is composed by Harry Ben. And he is a great poet, especially for children's poem. All of us like to fly kites. Though now there is no discrimination of girls and boys, but generally the boys like to fly kite a lot. Am I right? See how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. You must have seen shiny kites. When they are new, they look very beautiful, shining colors. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Sometime it soars up, sometime it comes down. So this is described by diving, dip, and whenever it is enjoying the flight in sky, the tail is also showing its happiness. It snaps its tail, and the snapping of tail shows its happiness. With then soars like a ship. Here, dear children, the kite is compared with a ship, and the word like is telling us that this comparison is made. What is comparison? When we are comparing two things, this is called comparison, and this figure of speech is called simile, simile, and in Hindi it is called upma alankar, which is known as simile in English. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. Just like in the ship, the movement of the ship changes due to the effect of tides. The same way, the movement of kites changes because of the movements of wind. Whenever wind is flowing high, the kite is also soaring high and climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Whenever there is a heavy wind, then you have to control the thread properly so that you can fly the kite properly. When a string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. But when there is no favorable wind, you cannot fly kite. For that time, you have to wait. You have to wait for the pleasurable or the correct time when wind is favorable again, and then you can enjoy. You have to wait for a new breeze blows. When the new breeze blows, then only the kite is capable to soar up. And its wings fill, and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. See, blue, new. Blue refers to the sky because the kite flies in the sky. How bright on the blue. The kite looks very bright in the sky, on the blue surface, and this surface is sky here. And when it is new, then it is so pretty, so beautiful. But as only beauty is not the side of life, there is another side also. Every coin has two sides. So now what happens when the kite has become old? But a ragged thing, meaning when it is torn up, when it is used a lot, when you have flown that kite so much, you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. But when the kite has become old, it has lost its beauty. it has lost its charm and colors, and now it has divided into pieces. And earlier it was soaring up, soaring high in the sky, but now where is the proper place for this kite, torn up kite? It flaps is a string in the top of a tree. It is somewhere on the top of a tree. This is the fate of kite. So indirectly, though this is a very amusing poem where the life journey of kite is described, where at the beginning it is soaring so high, looking so pretty, beautiful, and showing its true colors, shining colors on sky. But when it is used a lot, it is flown a lot, then what is the lot of the kite? The kite is on the top of a tree. I hope, dear children, you enjoyed this poem. Thank you.